Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on call recording on iPhone. So actually it is very easy. First of all, we need to open the settings on our device and scroll down to the end until we will find apps in the end. So click on apps, and here in the search bar we need to type phone and search for the phone application. Click on it. Now if you scroll down you will find call recording option right here. So if you click on it, you can see that it's turned off, and if we turn it on, it basically means that they turned on the call recording option on our iPhone. And now if we will call someone, so for example this guy here, if I'll call him and he will answer, in the top left corner we need to click on this sign, and it says this call will be recorded, and now basically the call is recorded, and we can stop the recording on clicking on this little square button right here. And the call is recorded on our notes, so if we click we can just play the record, and that's all. And basically that is how we can turn on call recording on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.